With StyldLife, getting dressed to impress has never been so easy. Hair, makeup, and fashion stylists are only a click away to help you navigate through your closet. That way, you can focus on looking your best. To make an appointment is simple. Just go to the StyldLife website and click on the Appointments tab. Next, let us know what you need a little help with: an elegant updo, a smoky eye, or an outfit to make you stand out. We're here to help. Then, choose the amount of time you'd like to spend with one of our StyldLife stylists. Don't forget to fill in the date and time you want to set the appointment. From there, tell us a little bit more about yourself and the look you're wanting to achieve. You can even attach pictures to give the stylist some inspiration. And it's that simple. Make sure to confirm your appointment by clicking Pay Now, and you should receive a confirmation email. Thanks for choosing StyldLife to be part of your lifestyle.